Hi, I'm Adam Tarr, Associate Broker with Citywide Real Estate in Phoenix, Arizona. Today is September 2nd, 2010. I will be providing an August recap in the next few days, but today I want to talk about recent market trends and the media coverage of future expectations. We've all heard different thoughts about the market, a veritable alphabet soup. Does the graph look like a U, a V, a W, or an L? Well, the most common seems to be L, meaning that we've hit bottom and we'll be stuck there for a while before we see any uptick in the market. Recent numbers, however, might indicate that we are indeed on a W track, at least in the Phoenix area. Sales prices throughout the Phoenix market, month over month, from July to August, have decreased at a higher rate than expected. The average price per foot dropped 5.3%, led by normal sales with a 9.7% drop. This was actually balanced out by an increase in the average price per foot in REOs, which went up 1.4%, but short sales did go down 3%. Of course, there are many stats that can be quoted, and you're more likely to hear about average pricing. What you will most likely hear is that average prices have dropped. What typically isn't told is the backstory of all the numbers. While the average prices dropped, so did the average size of the homes that were sold. So when you factor in the decrease in size, the drop in pricing isn't as significant. That doesn't mean it's not important, though. We have seen a decline of 6.3% in average sales price over the last per foot over the last 2 months. Of this, we actually calculate 4.7% was caused by the fall in home values, and then 1.6% was a change in the sales mix. Another number commonly used is median pricing, and those numbers are down to levels we haven't seen since the middle of last year. We saw a steady increase in the last half of 2009 and fairly stable numbers through the first half of 2010 before the recent slide. On a slightly positive note, we still see that we're going to have a decline, but this pending sales numbers aren't as low as the recent sold numbers are. So we may see that decrease lessening over the next couple of months. I mentioned that the full story never seems to be released, and it hasn't been here either. But this will go a little bit too long, so more tomorrow. Have a great day, and make it better for other people too.